In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply for a BPI credit card. Whether you're a first-time applicant or someone looking to expand your credit options, applying online can be incredibly convenient and streamlined. I'll guide you step by step through the process, ensuring that you know exactly what to do at each stage. First, we need to head over to your internet browser and navigate to bpi.com.ph. This is the official website of the Bank of the Philippine Islands, where you'll find all the options you need for your personal banking services. It's important to ensure you're on a secure connection and the proper site to protect your personal information. Once you're there, you'll want to look for the Personal Banking tab. This section is dedicated to individuals looking for personal banking services, including credit cards, savings accounts, and more. When you see the Personal Banking option on the website, go ahead and click on it. This will lead you to a broader menu tailored to individual customers. Next, within the Personal Banking section, you'll want to find and select Cards. Clicking Cards will take you deeper into the various card options BPI offers, ranging from debit cards to prepaid and credit cards. The Cards page is the gateway to exploring the specific type of card that suits your financial needs and lifestyle best. After selecting Cards, your next move is to click on Credit Cards. This action filters the information to show only the selection of credit cards available. BPI provides a variety of credit cards, each with unique benefits and requirements. Taking a moment to familiarize yourself with these options might help in choosing the most suitable card for your needs. Then, once you've reviewed your credit card options and you're ready to proceed, you'll see an Apply Now button on the screen. Clicking Apply Now initiates the application process. Make sure you have your personal information handy, as you'll likely need to fill out a form with details such as your name, address, and financial information. By following these steps, you're well on your way to applying for a BPI credit card. The online application process is designed to be straightforward and efficient, making it easy for you to complete the necessary requirements from the comfort of your home. Remember to double-check all the information you provide during the application to prevent any hiccups in processing. And there you have it, a simple guide to apply for a BPI credit card online. I hope this walkthrough makes the process clearer and more approachable for you. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your application.